Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error could not sign in, try again later in Microsoft Clipchamp. So I'm getting this error when I try to log in with my Microsoft account, and this error applies for all the other logging issues as well. So the simplest way to solve this problem is you need to just go to search and you need to type apps. So you'll be getting the apps and features. Just click on open, and in the apps and features just scroll down to M. We will be having this Microsoft Clipchamp. Click on it and you need to click on these advanced options, and in the advanced option here you'll be having terminate, reset and repair. So here it says, right, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it and the data won't be affected. If the app isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. So in case if you have some important data inside it, I would recommend you to click on repair, and in case if you aren't having any important data, just click on reset. Alright, so I'm not having any important data over here, so I will just click on reset. Reset. So the reset is done. So let me now again go and search for Clipchamp and open it. Here you can see now I am inside my Microsoft Clipchamp and I'm able to see all my videos that I've edited. So I would recommend you to first try clicking on repair and then reset. Okay, repair and then open it and then click reset and open it. So if both of these things doesn't work, better uninstall it and reinstall it again, or else you can just try clicking on terminate also. So I think these are the only 4 possible ways that you could be solving this issue, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.